Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Anthony here from That Homebody Veteran. So this is the very first video that I've made using this cake pan light. That's right, a cake pan light. Now I've seen some YouTube videos on there, how to do it. It's only about 40 bucks. I think I spent maybe 30, but this is the first test of the video. Just wanted to see how it looks. Throw a little edits in there, a little intro, a little outro, and let's just see how it looks. So here we are. We're using this cake pan light. Looks to be some pretty good diffused light. Like I said, 30 or 40 bucks. I'm filming using a Galaxy S10 5G phone. I decided to keep this pretty simple for this YouTube channel, at least in the beginning. Now, I do have a digital SLR camera, but it's an old school Canon 5D Mark II. Came out a long time ago. I'd say 10 years ago, 2010, 2009. And you know, the good thing about using a digital SLR versus a phone like this is that, especially with this nice diffused light that it just built, you know, you can get the background you could darken the background, bring a little bit more light to your face, adjust the exposure, aperture, stuff like that. But for this purpose, I wanted to use a basic phone, a good phone, right? Not one that, 8-9 years ago, technology's changed, but I've had this Galaxy S10 for a little while now. And so I decided just like, hey, give it a shot. I'm using the live focus mode right now. Got a little diffused light, and let's just see what comes of it, right? I think the video is going to be decent enough to get the content out there and actually be good enough for people to enjoy the video. From what I can tell, at least I'll know here in a little bit, is that the voice is pretty clear. The video is clear. It's of high quality. So, again, you don't have to have a big setup to do really nice YouTube videos. The most important part is the content. And again, I'm not even using an external microphone. I'm using the built-in microphone that's in an S10 5G. So, like I said, you don't have to have a crazy setup. You can have a pretty basic setup, be able to create some good videos, good content. Got a nice diffused light right here, 30 to 40 bucks, and you're on your way. So again, if you're interested in the videos I'm gonna make, go ahead and stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe button, and enjoy the videos I'm gonna come up with in the future.